What's up, online shoppers? If you have pets and you are in search of a vacuum cleaner that is lightweight, cordless, has decent battery life, easy to use, and has some really cool intuitive features, I want to show you my Bissell PowerClean FurFinder. It has 200 watts of suction power and has some really cool attachments as well. It's basically a stick vacuum that delivers on its promise to handle fur from your pets, and I really appreciate the ease of use and thoughtful, easy design. What do you get with a Bissell FurFinder? You get a stick vacuum that tackles fur exactly the way it promises to. It's intuitive, it's easy to use, it's lightweight, and thoughtfully designed. So basically, this is the answer to any of your furry problems. Weight-wise, it weighs just about 8 pounds, and it's really lightweight and easy to maneuver around. This lightweight stick vacuum stands by itself, transitions into 3 different vacuum cleaners, and promises to fit and extract embedded pet hair in all of your upholstery up to 95% faster, and it does all of that without the fur tangling on the brushes in either one of the 2 heads that you use for fur removal. I've been using this one around my house, carpets, hardwood, and especially upholstery, where pet hair tends to disappear into the fabric. First, I start with floors and rugs. This Vac's 200-watt motor gives a solid suction for its class. The tangle-free brush roll means you're not going to spend ages cutting hair off the head after every vacuuming session. And yes, those LED headlights really do help you to spot dust and fur in dark corners. The FurFinder upholstery tool is designed just for pet hair in couches, chairs, stairs, and car seats. You snap it on and it digs into the fabric, way better than a regular crevice tool. As far as runtime and convenience goes, the removable battery gets up to 40 minutes of runtime on low, which is enough to do most entire rooms without recharging. It's also self-standing, so you don't lean it against anything mid-clean, and the wall mount power charge station keeps it tidy when the vacuum is not in use. Now, if you're one of those people who wants to know whether or not the FurFinder is worth the extra money to purchase over top of the original Bissell Power, I will tell you that the extra money goes into the filtration, additional lights for being able to see the pet hair where it lies, and some pretty cool intuitive tools. Now, the FurFinder tool here is a small attachment that you can use a variety of different ways. It has a smooth case here that allows us to slide, and a head that angles to allow this to slide well over top of upholstery. It also has this really unique spinning brush that has 2 different kinds of edges inside here. Basically, what you have is this little brush that detaches from the housing. It spins on one side, and 1 row of bristles here is 1 row. There are 2 lines of long, flexible bristles for pulling and trapping the hair. And then there's also this really unique silicone edge on 2 sides of the brush that helps to grip and pull the fur out of the upholstery. That's why they can claim that this does it 95% faster, because it truly is designed to pull and remove the hair from the upholstery in question. Snaps back in place, super easy. My favorite way to use it is by putting it on the end of the wand, because I find that this is the most comfortable way for me to use the vacuum cleaner, and it gets all of the pet hair out quite easily. Now, the other standout tool that you get with the FurFinder PowerClean is the integrated crevice tool. This has 2 tools integrated into one. If you just need a hard edge to get deep into crevices, you've got it. If you want something to help you with dusting or getting things off, maybe a little extra scrubbing power, all you have to do is just slide down the bristled attachment to the integrated crevice tool, and you now have changed your tool from a straight edge to a bristled edge in a matter of seconds. And the really beautiful thing about this vacuum cleaner is how quickly you can switch between different variations on the vacuum cleaner. Whether you're using the floor unit, the long wand, and the FurFinder tool, or you're using integrated crevice tool, you definitely have a lot of options with this little vacuum cleaner that you don't have with other comparable options on the market. With up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning power, 200 watts of suction power, and the unique FurFinder attachments to completely customize your vacuum cleaner to a pet-friendly home. This vacuum cleaner is intuitive, thoughtful, and definitely ticks all the boxes for me as far as a vacuum cleaner that can handle the demands of pets in our lives. This is definitely going to be the vacuum cleaner that you enjoy the most. The Bissell PowerClean FurFinder is definitely an all-around handy tool that offers cordless freedom, decent runtime, pet hair focused tools, and self-standing convenience. And all of those things together have made this one here a family favorite at our house.